Hey guys, how's it going? This is Rob with Lukat. Check out the hood on this paint job, all right? This is an old Cadillac, okay? Look at the oxidation. See how pretty those sides look? If the sides of your car look good, but the top's all flat like right here, let me show you how to fix it. You want to use these products right here. Lukat Fix It. You know, this, when the wax doesn't work anymore, okay, get me in there. When wax doesn't work anymore, it's because you got too much buildup. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna show you how to use this to remove all this buildup. I'm gonna put some on there like this. Now this is not a wax, so don't use it like a wax. Instead what you do, like when you wax a car, you do circles. Don't do that with this. What you do instead is just go back and forth over the same area. This is gonna clean and remove the buildup, okay? All I'm doing is cleaning the same area, and all that contamination that's permeated in the clear coat is coming right off. Look at that. So if your car, here's a clue. If when you wash your car, if the hood, roof, and trunk are hazy, the sides look okay, but when you wash your car, the top looks good, dries up, and looks ugly again, it's contaminated. This is what you want to do. You don't want to wax it. This is not a wax, it's a cleaner. So listen to this. There's no wax. That's pure cleaner. Now I cleaned it. I'm gonna go ahead and wax it with this, but this is not a regular shine and pop wax. This is what we call a sealing wax. So after you clean the paint, you want to restore the shine. That's what we just did. And then now I put the wax on like this. Now this is more sealer than it is shine and pop wax. Shine and pop waxes are good because they put a nice shine on your paint job, but in this case, okay, we want to seal that beautiful paint we brought back to life. So Lukat Fix It, the paint cleaner, will clean your paint job 100% back to its original state, and then this one here is going to seal it up. Now here, if you want to wax it now, this is what you wax, because it stays like that. This won't wash off because we cleaned it. So clean it first, then seal it with that, and your paint job is good for years. No joke, man. So check this out. Let us know. This is what you want. It's called Lukat Fix It. Look at that refraction. We brought back that beautiful gloss. Look at that refraction. It's amazing. So we brought back the shine, okay? Remember, it's Lukat, spelled L-U-K-A-T, detail.com. Check us out. I mean, it only took a few seconds to do this, to do a hood like this. And like in most cases, the sides are gonna be okay. It's just the hood, the roof, and the trunk that need to be cleaned up. So check us out, guys. This will do it. When wax doesn't work, use this. This will fix your paint permanently. All right, guys. Rob with Lukat signing off. Later, Gator.